American English versus British English, along with their pronunciations. Schedule. Schedule. In American English United States. Schedule. Schedule. In British English United Kingdom. Schedule. Schedule. Garage. Garage. In American English United States. Garage. Garage. In British English United Kingdom. Garage. Garage. Advertisement. Advertisement. In American English United States. Advertisement. Advertisement. In British English United Kingdom. Advertisement. Advertisement. Tomato. Tomato. In American English United States. Tomato. Tomato. In British English United Kingdom. Tomato. Tomato. Privacy. Privacy. In American English United States. Privacy. Privacy. In British English United Kingdom. Privacy. Privacy. Route. Route. In American English United States. Route. Route. In British English United Kingdom. Route or route. Route or route. Mobile. Mobile. In American English United States. Mobile. Mobile. In British English United Kingdom. Mobile. Mobile. Vitamin. Vitamin. In American English United States. Vitamin. Vitamin. In British English United Kingdom. Vitamin. Vitamin. Zebra. Zebra. In American English United States. Zebra. Zebra. In British English United Kingdom. Zebra. Zebra. Herb. Herb. In American English United States. Herb. Herb silent H. In British English United Kingdom. Herb. Herb with H.